Here are some common symptoms that can signify that your body is overloaded with toxins. Brain fog, sleep problems, mood issues, anxiety, fatigue, muscle aches, joint pain, headaches, bloating, weight changes, fluid retention, and skin rashes. All of these symptoms can be a reflection of toxic burden. In this video, I'm going to talk about your 5 toxin removal systems. My name is Dr. Monisha Bhanote, your personal well-being doctor. My goal here is to help you restore your health by understanding the power of integrative lifestyle and functional culinary medicine. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe for more content just like this. You know, I'm all about taking care of your cellular health with intentional lifestyle practices. Let's set these intentions. Endocrine disruptors, one of the leading environmental toxins, are found nearly everywhere. In personal care products, children's toys, anything plastic, detergents, food packaging, pharmaceuticals, and many, many more. These endocrine disruptors impact our entire endocrine system and their effect is enormous. Yet, regulators can't determine what is a safe level. Companies are not obligated to inform you of these incredibly commonplace toxins and can include any amount in their products or packaging. As of 2020, there were 167 million chemicals registered with the American Chemical Society, but less than 1% of those chemicals were tested for toxicity. And more bad news, the less than 1% of chemicals tested were determined to be toxic enough to disrupt every cellular process in the body. So how are those hidden toxins interfering with our bodies at the cellular level? Although these changes are largely invisible to the eye, we can feel both their short-term and long-term effects. Every one of your cells contains DNA, and this DNA suffers one of the worst attacks from toxins. Some toxins are known as genotoxins because they directly impact your genetic code. Yes, your DNA. They can cause damage to your DNA and chromosomes, ultimately leading to diverse diseases, including the worst of them all, cancer. Toxins also cause damage to cell membranes, which means they hinder the communication that needs to occur between your different cells and the rest of your body's functions. Plus, healthy hormone production is not something you want to mess with. But that's precisely what toxins do. Their interference with your hormone production can cause imbalances, leading to issues like depression, infertility, anxiety, and even more. This is clearly an issue. So how can you remove toxins from your body? Let's discuss it. First, your skin is the largest organ in your body. It protects you from external toxins like bacteria and UV radiation. Furthermore, your body eliminates heavy metals and other toxic chemicals when you sweat. If you don't sweat regularly via exercise or a sauna, make that a ritual. Next, you want to take care of your liver. The liver is one of your toxin-removing all-stars and responsible for deactivating and removing the toxic substances you get from medications, excess hormones, food additives, and more. You also want to be able to count on your kidneys. As part of your genitourinary system, the kidneys are responsible for purifying the blood by filtering those toxic chemicals out of the blood and excreting them through your urine. They can also be flushed out from your body. Given the kidneys' responsibility for clearing up your blood, it's no surprise that when people have high blood pressure, they also have kidney issues. You can support your kidney health by reducing your sodium intake, staying well hydrated, and eating whole fresh foods with lots of fiber. Lastly, the lymphatic system is another top defender against toxins and has locations throughout the body. The lymph nodes, the spleen, the sinuses, and so on. These locations are all connected via the lymphatic system, which run alongside the vascular system. Your arteries carry the blood from your heart to your organs, your veins carry the blood away from your organs, and well, the lymphatic system carries those toxins away. This is one reason you might notice swollen lymph nodes when you're sick. The extra toxins in your body are getting collected in the tissue of your lymph nodes, where cells known as macrophages gobble them up to get rid of them. The lymphatic system is fundamental in the detoxification pathway. One thing we haven't talked about yet is one area of the body that is decidedly unhelpful at removing toxins. That is your fat. Although it's healthy to have some body fat, too much body fat can tax your body in many, many ways. There are several well-known drawbacks of having a surplus of body fat, but a less familiar fact is that surplus body fat serves as a toxin storage. So get your body moving with regular exercise and fuel your body with fresh whole foods and lots of water. Remember, habits are for short-term pleasure, routines are for daily maintenance, and rituals, well, they're for your long-term functional well-being. Don't forget to check out my best-selling book, The Anatomy of Well-Being, in the description below. And if you want to learn more about my self-care rituals, check out these videos here. Are you ready to start your journey to well-being? Download the Anatomy of Well-Being journal with the link below.